So guys, these are what I'm gonna be using in my curry mutton. This is my curry mutton. You can see some curries on it, and my sweet pepper, carrots, mashed potato, onion and tomato, pepper. This is my scallion, guys, thyme, and also can't forget my allspice, my black pepper, garlic powder, my Laurie's. Remember guys, no MSG. This is a good product to use. This is also